guys, it's Mia and I'm going to do a tour on my house that I literally just made. Here is a watermelon sugarcane that is awesome. The front entrance to the house. First hall. And these are all parts of the first hall. And that's still a part of the first hall. Room entrance. Other hall. Hall window. In the hall. Office entrance, which is really cool. And like, this is the office. It's super duper tall. Vine ladder. And then here's the bedroom. Yeah. And the stairs to the bedroom. And here's the entrance. And there's my house. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I try to sound more excited about this, so yeah, bye.